We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this football player, as well as how to say more interesting and unclear names from football as well. He currently plays for the Paris Saint Germain in France. How do you pronounce his name? For reference, in French, his name is pronounced as Idrissa Gueye. Idrissa Gueye. So it'd be fine in English to call him as Idrissa Gueye. Idrissa Gueye. Pretty straightforward once you know. Idrissa Gueye from French, Idrissa Gueye. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names from football whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.